Greek pizza is a kind of a flatbread. It's also known as lasagna. It's got a lot of salad ingredients as toppings. So let's see my version of Greek style pizza. So I'm going to make an olive oil based dressing for this. So it needs a few ingredients. So in a pan, I'm going to first mix all the ingredients and then start cooking it. Take 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Do not turn on the flame as of now. Into this, I'm going to add in 20 cherry tomatoes cut into half. This dressing is quite garlicky, so add in around 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, a teaspoon of Oregano Seasoning. If you have some pizza seasoning, you could add that too. And now I'm going to add in just a few leaves of basil. Just stir them in and now turn on the flame. On low flame, cook all these ingredients till the tomatoes are slightly soft. Add in salt to taste. I have a tablespoon of the olive rind here. It gives a very nice zing to the dressing. So if you have the bottled olives, just take a tablespoon of the syrup as well. Slightly mash the tomatoes. And this dressing is done. Turn off the flame. The olive oil tomato dressing is ready. I have over here a whole wheat thin crust pizza base. Of course, you can use some pita bread. Just crisp it a little bit in the oven before you put the toppings. Or you can even take fresh dough and make these pizzas or flatbreads. So now, let's start assembling this. Spread some of this topping over the pizza base. Make sure you also drizzle some of this oil. Let's top it up with some shredded onions. Let's place some jalapenos, some olives. Let's grate some mozzarella cheese. Go very easy on the cheese because a Greek pizza or a flatbread is not loaded up with cheese. I've preheated the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and now this pizza is ready to go and bake in the oven. So bake this till the cheese is nicely melted as well as the crust is slightly crispy. The pizza is baked and time for the finishing touches. I'm going to transfer this over a pizza board. Garnish this pizza with some crumbled feta, arugula leaves and drizzle some balsamic vinegar. Trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Do give this a try. Don't forget to subscribe to Rachi Food and comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.